Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to make a very traditional dosa recipe. It's a buttermilk dosa or a soft spongy dosa. For this dosa, we need 1 cup of rice. I have just taken the regular raw rice. 1/4 cup of poha or rice flakes. Take the medium or thick variety. And 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Now we'll wash all these together and bring it. We have washed the ingredients. Now to soak it, we are going to soak it in buttermilk. So for that, take 1/2 cup of curd, and to this we'll add 1 cup of water. Just churn it well together. Now add this buttermilk to the washed ingredients. Now cover it and keep it aside. Let it soak for 4 hours. Now we are ready to grind the batter. Don't add any extra water while grinding. Our batter is now ground and ready. We'll add some salt to it. Mix it well. Our batter is ready. But before we begin making the dosas, first let's make a chutney, a good side dish to go along with the dosas. For this, heat about 2 teaspoons of oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Small piece of ginger, and here I have 3 green chillies. Fry them also in the oil. When the dal becomes a light reddish color, I have 1 onion here which I have chopped. Fry the onion also in it. Add some salt. See, the onions have cooked well and become translucent. Now we'll add in these Pudina or mint leaves. I have washed them well, cleaned and kept it ready. You can take about 2 to 3 handfuls of these Pudina leaves and just saute them also for just about a minute. Now we can switch it off. Here I have about 4 tablespoons of fresh grated coconut. Add that also and allow everything to come down to room temperature. When it is cool, we'll grind it into a chutney in our blender jar. Our tasty Pudina chutney is ground and ready. We only have to do the tempering for this. So here in a pan, we'll just heat a little bit of oil. Add some mustard seeds. And a little bit urad dal. Now pour this tempering on top of the chutney. Now heat dosa tawa. Just add a drop of oil and spread it all around. Now we'll pour this batter. Don't spread it out thin like a dosa, just leave it like a uttappa. That's all. And spread some oil, preferably sesame oil, that is til oil, all over it, and we'll cover it and cook it. Now when it is done on one side, flip it over and cook the other side too. So when it is well done on both the sides, we can remove it. When it is done on one side, carefully flip it over and cook on the other side too. See, it is done well on both the sides. Remove it. Likewise, make with the remaining batter also. Cook it on a medium flame only. Remove it when done. Ready to serve out our traditional buttermilk dosa with some tasty Pudina chutney. With this quantity of batter, you will get about 8 to 10 dosas depending on the size. And this chutney is very tasty. You can serve it along with idli, dosa, adai. Even if you like, you can have it with rice too. Do definitely try out this recipe. It was a request from one of my viewers for some good breakfast recipes for senior citizens too. So these kind of soft dosa is will be very much appreciated by the elderly, and of course people of all ages too can have it. We haven't used much oil either, so definitely try this out. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen, and we'll try to bring to you more and more of the forgotten recipes, traditional revival. Thank you.